that's where I took it so. Yeah, I took it.
Stop begging for your motherfucking wife because she is not coming back to you, bro. And I know you don't want to fucking hear that, but that's the harsh fucking reality. Oh, don't say fuck so much. Shut the fuck up. I'm going to keep talking. Fellas, now, let me be 100% honest with you, brother. The biggest reason why you fighting for your wife back in a divorce, you fighting for your chick back or your girl back when it comes to the breakup, and you begging, you pleading, you buying nice gifts, you buying flowers, you doing all that wonderful shit, but it seemed like it still ain't fucking working. A big reason why that's happening is strictly because your wife, your girlfriend, your woman, she checked out from the relationship a long time ago. A long time ago. And you got to accept that, brother. She could have checked out 6 months ago, 12 months ago. In some instances, she could have checked out from you fucking 2 years ago. You will be very, very surprised and you will be very baffled by how a woman has the ability to be next to you, having sex with you, smiling, laughing, cheesing, but the whole time she planning her exit, she plotting her exit, and she wondering, damn, when the fuck can I get up out of here? And that's why a lot of you guys, include me at once upon a time, you blindsided, you don't know where it's coming from, and you feel like that it's coming out of nowhere. And you simply just missed the signs, brother. Does that make you a bad man? Fuck no. Does that mean that you wasn't a good husband? Sometimes. Does that mean you wasn't a good boyfriend? Sometimes. But however you got in this motherfucking situation, you in this situation. And the only thing you can do now is pick yourself back up and move forward with your life and move on with your life. You can't allow yourself to be stuck in this cycle, stuck in this state, and stuck in this place to where you keep chasing your motherfucking wife and you keep chasing after a woman who don't want to be with you no more, bro. I know you done begged, you done sent long ass messages, you done called, you done tried to rope her in to say don't break up the family. You've been with her for a long time, so you still feel like you guys can get back to a good place. But the reality is, brother, the woman that you once had, the woman that you once knew, the woman that you once knew, the woman that you once loved is simply fucking gone, G. She is fucking gone, and there is absolutely nothing you can do about it. And I know that shit hurt. I know you sitting there wondering, is she off with another man? Is she moving on? What is she doing with her life? Why can't she text me back? I know you thinking about that shit, brother, but you got to let that shit the fuck go. You gotta let it go. That shit ain't healthy. You gotta stop begging. You gotta stop chasing. You gotta stop pleading. You need to understand that, yes, brother, it's okay to love her. It's okay to care about her. But she's her own woman now. She's free to do whatever it is that she want to do. And if she is happier without you in her life, you need to love her enough. And you need to love her from a place of non-possession and let her go be who she want to be. But in the same time, in the same thing, you don't got to sit back there and allow your motherfucking self to sit there and be stuck pleading over a bitch who don't want to be with you no more. You got to stop that shit, fellas. You better than that. You deserve more than that. I don't give a fuck if you fucked up the wedding. I don't give a fuck if you fucked up the marriage. I don't give a damn if you fucked up the relationship, fellas. It's okay. Take accountability for your mistakes. Have some self-compassion for yourself, because it's always 20/20 in hindsight. When we look back in the past, we can always see what we could have done better, but you can't go back and change that shit. The only thing that you can do right now is keep your head up, your chest out, and look motherfucking forward going towards your future, brother. You cannot, under no circumstances, allow yourself to get stuck in this same fucking cycle to where you chasing, pleading. You fucking go to sleep at night. You can't sleep at night. You sitting there fucking all night thinking about it, thinking about the memories, trying to come up with some fucking grand plan to get her back, when in all reality, she simply just don't want to fucking be with you no more, bro. I know you don't want to hear this shit, but I'm the one that's going to tell you the truth. Them motherfuckers online that's talking about how to get your woman back, how she going to come back, how to attract her back. Man, that's fucking bullshit. It's bullshit. It's bullshit. Stop putting so much energy into trying to get her back and go get yourself back. But not only get yourself back, go get a newer version of yourself. Develop a better version of yourself. Work on your fitness, your fashion, your finances, your mindset, and your appearance. And the mindset being the most important pillar out of those 5. Work on becoming a better man internally, on the inside, and externally on the outside. So when you finally heal, when you finally become better, when you finally grow, you never have to be in a situation situation like this again, fellas. I know the shit suck. I know you don't like it. I know you don't feel good. I know your first thought is chase, plead, beg, and I can prove to her that she can be with me. But the reality is, brother, you ain't gonna do nothing but sink in a darker black hole. So, lay there in the bed and cry. Jerk off if you need to. Eat your ice cream. Watch your movies. Feel like shit for a couple days. But once that shit is fucking over with, hit that switch in your mind and say, you know what? Fuck it. I'm sad right now, but I'm finna go to that gym. Fuck it. I'm sad right now, but I'm finna journal out my thoughts and emotions so I can get this shit off my chest, out my head, and out my heart. Fuck it, I feel like shit right now, but I'm gonna still show up and be a great father for my children. Fuck it, I feel terrible right now, but I'm finna do that over time. I'm finna grow my business. I'm finna start my side hustle. I'm finna go do this. I'm finna become the best fucking man that I can be. So, if you fucked up the marriage, you fucked up the relationship, take accountability for that so you can never be in a situation like that again. But forgive yourself. If she did you wrong, if she blindsided you, if she cheated on you, if she chose somebody else over you, who gives a fuck? She ain't that fucking special. Cherish the memories, cherish the times, cherish the moments, and move the fuck on. And if you a man who going through this shit right now, you watching on YouTube, you can click the links in the description. It has a one-on-one coaching session with me. It has my Instagram and all my social platforms to where you can reach out and talk to me. So make sure you guys watch the channel, watch some of the shorts, watch a couple other videos I got uploaded. I'm definitely about to be more consistent on here, and I'm gonna help you motherfuckers out at least twice a week. Or maybe more. So follow me on Instagram, follow me on fucking TikTok, and let's get this thing going. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.